Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these cute coasters out of terracotta saucers. For the materials you'll need scrapbook paper, terracotta saucers, Mod Podge, acrylic paint, and paint brushes. First, paint the saucers with the acrylic paint. Let it dry. Then find a glass about the size of the inside of the saucer and trace circles on the scrapbook paper. Cut the circles out. Then take a thin layer of Mod Podge and put it on the bottom of the saucer. Stick the scrapbook paper rounds to it. Let them dry. Then coat the coasters with Mod Podge to seal it. Be careful as it can cause the scrapbook paper to bubble. Let them dry. And that's it! These coasters are so fun and colorful and will be great in the camper for our summer trips. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.